This is a very quick video to let you guys know that Microsoft said that they could help you get your files back if you lost them in the 1809 update. They say to call 1-800 Microsoft and that someone will help you. Supposedly they tell you to do a system restore to a previous state, then you get them back. Then if that doesn't help, they level 2, which would then use the NTFS file recovery. If you lost sensitive information, I would advise you to call and see if by chance it is true. If you've done it and it works, please let us know in the comments. This was Mr. Tech Talk. Until next time.